I'm working. Okay.
As the peach went over her, "Oh, what a lovely bump that must have been for you, Miss Spider." It was very satisfactory and tremendously flabby at that. Her tummy and waist were as soggy as paste. It was worse on the place where she sat.
Listen to me. I have to do some work. Move, man. Why are you in my way, man? Get out work.
Судя по всему, связь с нашим крестителем. МФС, Артем Гостев расскажет подробнее. Что у меня делает собака в студии, ребят? Я вообще кошатница. I love that, Robin. That's beautiful.
Exactly.
All right, we're going to turn now to Lara and pop news from her home as well. Lara, take it away.
Have you guys heard the expression, the dog ate my homework?
Warm up nicely though as we get into the weekend. 6. Okay. You're on your own. All right, you're on your own. Here, you want to play with 17 on Sunday.
He'll start coming in at 9 if he wants to play. But okay, go get it. And I will say that much, you just can't do it. Okay, bye, bud. All right, we are seeing.
3, 2. Watch out for a little. Okay. Hey, stop. Try it again. In 3, 2. Watch out for a little light fog as you're heading out this morning. Oh my gosh.
Nossa, tomou banho.
Cachorro derrubou até o fone. Cachorro derrubou o fone. Cachorro derrubou o fone.
Que do caralho.
Ele quer sentar, ele quer sentar.
Another
outro. What do I say? This is the vast majority of students. It was great to hear Oh, he's going for the squirrel.
Oh boy. Oh boy. You know, she's jumping up looking for Craig outside the window.
Oh, don't.
Okay, so one last question for you, Rascal, and I'm sorry for asking this one because this is a mandatory question to all of our female applicants, okay? Alrighty, is there any chance that you're pregnant right now? Okay. Thank you for being honest. And I guess I've covered everything that I need to ask from you. And what I want you to do is you just keep your phone lines open 2 to 3 days from this day, because currently we are in a work at home setting right now, and we still have to undergo a deliberation at the end of the day, okay? Thank you very much. Have a great day and be safe. Bye-bye.